Are you interested in building a career as a Shopify developer? The path is clear and focused on mastering a specific set of tools. You do not need to know everything about web development to start. Your main focus will be learning Liquid, which is Shopify's templating language, along with a strong foundation in HTML and CSS. You will use these to build and customize the look of online stores. After that, you will dig into JavaScript to add interactive features to the storefront. The backend logic of Shopify apps, however, relies on languages like Node.js or Ruby on Rails, so you can choose one to learn after you are comfortable with front-end code. Your first real step is to set up a free Shopify Partners account. This is a critical distinction because a Partners account lets you create unlimited development stores at no cost. These stores are where you will build your portfolio, test your code, and learn without a monthly fee. You should immediately start a project, even a small one. Perhaps build a store for a fictional brand or redesign your favorite product page. The core of your learning will come from the official Shopify developer documentation, which is honestly your best textbook. It is comprehensive, searchable, and always up to date with the platform's changes. Once you grasp the basics, your focus must shift to specialization and proving your skills. Do not try to be a generalist who does themes, apps, store setup, and marketing strategy all at once. The most lucrative path is to choose a niche. You can become a theme architect who builds high-performance, custom storefronts from scratch. Or you can become an app developer who creates public or private applications that extend a store's functionality. To attract your first paying clients, you will need a portfolio. Use your development stores to demonstrate one complex, real-world build rather than 10 simple homepages. A complete project with a customized product configurator or an advanced collection filter makes a powerful statement. The final phase is engaging with the community and the business itself. Shopify development is not just about writing code in isolation. You should join the Shopify community forums, read other developers' blogs, and examine open-source themes to understand how professionals structure their projects. When you are ready to find work, you can discover clients on freelance platforms, in Shopify-specific marketplaces, or simply by finding stores with outdated designs and offering a rebuild. Your value is technical problem-solving. To succeed, you must see your work through the lens of the merchant. Every line of code you write should solve a problem that generates more revenue or improves the daily operation of a business.